Hey guys, I thought I'd just hop on here to say hi, whether you're new to the channel or you have subscribed for a while. I just wanted to properly introduce myself. I am a cognitive neuroscience student. I'm currently doing a master's in the UK and I would like to continue my career with a PhD, possibly either in neuroscience or psychology, but that's to see. I'm quite open about it, and I am going to start my PhD applications process soon, because I would like to start in September or October, which is when I finish my master's. And I thought I would take you with me through my journey of both living as a master's student and applying for a PhD. I must say, majority of the time nothing exciting happens. It's mainly just studying, but if you are interested, maybe you would find watching my vlogs, getting to know what I do interesting, because I found that before I went into my master's, I didn't really find too much material content on cognitive neuroscience, so I didn't really know what I was getting into, but I'm really glad I did it. Also, please forgive the state of me. My skin is not skinning today and I have the darkest eye circles. I promise I sleep, but being Italian, I think I get these more marked. I don't know if it's an actual thing, but yeah. So today I am going to be working on two different things. I need to submit my ethical approval for my master's dissertation. I'm going to do an EEG experiment, which I'm really excited about, even though I have never done an EEG experiment before. But obviously we've been learning about it, but I feel that when you actually do it, it's completely different. So we'll see how that goes, but hopefully well, because that's for my dissertation. But yeah, I need to submit the ethical approval, which needs to be approved, obviously, so that I can carry on with the experiment. Otherwise, if you don't get your ethical approval, and that's with everything in research, I think, you're not allowed to carry out your experiment. And then I also need to complete some quantitative worksheet exercises. So I'm taking a module called Further Quantitative Research or something like that. And it's basically all about quantitative techniques of reading, analyzing the data. So there's ANOVAs, t-tests, all sorts of statistical testing. And it's all obviously quantitative, because I've always had a bigger interest in quantitative stuff rather than qualitative. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I've got that worksheet to do and the ethics approval. If I get time, I would like to go to a CrossFit class, but we'll see how that goes. And also, I am a part-time personal trainer, so when I'm not studying, I work as a personal trainer, and today I am covering two of my colleagues' classes, which is a booty camp, and I think it's an abs core class. So I'm gonna be doing them as I teach them, which means that if I also do CrossFit, I'll probably be knackered, but we'll see how the day goes. It's been, I think, more than an hour since I last spoke to you. I have been writing some of my EEG experiment stimuli, but it's doing my head in, not gonna lie, because I have to come up with 300 sentences, 50 sentences for 6 different conditions, and it's all about violating stereotypes. Or so there, some sentences are violating stereotypes and some sentences are not violating stereotypes, specifically profession stereotypes, and it's so hard to come up with some sentences. It has to shock what the person is expecting to read. So as a person, you would expect to read something that says weightlifters lift heavy weights, but you wouldn't expect to read weightlifters lift heavy puppies or something like that, you know. So yeah, I've been doing that, and I'm taking a little break because I cannot think of any more sentences, so I feel like I just need a little bit of a break and then I can get back on it. Guys, I'm gonna show you what I cook when I cannot be bothered to cook, but I want to get some protein in and some nutritious food. I am going to go in with some soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sweet chili. And mix everything together. I'm now going to add a turkey burger that I had in the fridge because I cooked 4 yesterday and there was 1 left. I'm going to go in with a pack of these noodles. So these can be added straight to the wok and they cook in 2 minutes. I am going to finish it with an egg, so I'm going to crack it directly into the pan. Here is the final result. I wanted to show you something. So I am a very organized person. And I've created a Notion board where I've got basically something for everything. I've got a YouTube bit, a reading list, learning, wish list, fitness. Then I've got my uni stuff, my PhD application and all of that. At the bottom, I've got a to-do list that you can tick. And I like to change this on a weekly basis, but I tend to do it either at the beginning of a day or the beginning of the week. And I find that when I don't do this, I am way less organized than I normally am. I still haven't done my skincare routine for the day, so I thought now would be a good time. This is what I'm using these days. I have now moved onto the sofa. I've got my laptop here, but I am done with the heavy researchy bits. I think I'm going to be doing some admin now and maybe take a nap, not gonna lie. Hello. Hi, baby. Are you joining me for a nap? Hi, baby. Good morning, guys. This is the following day. Yesterday I ended up going to teach my class. What is my head doing? I ended up going to teach my class and then I came back home, had dinner, and I pretty much fell asleep because I'd been awake since 6 because I'd had a client at 7, so I was just so tired. And today I decided to have a bit more of a lay-in, so it's 9:30. I have just woken up, gotten out of bed, but I feel like I needed a bit of rest because this week has been non-stop, waking up early, doing 1,000 things until like late evening, and I just felt like I needed a bit of a, a me time break. I'm now going to do my skincare because I want to start the day right. Then I'm going to make myself a nice coffee and then I am going to start doing or try to finish what I didn't finish yesterday. Stationery makes me so happy, and can you tell what my favorite colors are? Also, look at this glorious sandwich that I made for breakfast. Guys, I wanted to show you my statistics book. I know, Milo, same. I don't know if you could hear him. But what in the earth is this? I don't even know if you can tell how big this is, right? This is massive. It's the biggest book I've ever seen in my life. This is the current vibe, and I think it's time for a coffee. Also, can we take a moment to appreciate how cozy Milo looks? He looks like he's having the best time. Lucky him. I've just made myself an espresso, and honestly, coffee makes me so happy. No one's ever gonna understand my love for coffee. Again, I don't know if it's because I'm Italian. I literally started drinking coffee when I was 16, and it was such a thing as well, because I remember in school we used to have coffee machines, and at break time me and my friends, we would go to the coffee machines and get a coffee, and I don't know, it just felt like a sociable thing to do all together, a bonding moment. So I think I've always associated coffee with, I don't know, good vibes. I don't know. So I have just finished exercise number 1 in my worksheet. I think there's just another one. I generally thought that I was gonna get them done way quicker than I am, but we keep going. It's I've got to do some Uncovers analysis, and I don't think I've done them before, so I'm having to read about them to truly understand what I'm doing. And then yeah, once that is done, I can have a look at my ethics and hopefully get that done, because it's really stressing me out knowing that I haven't submitted it yet. So yeah, hopefully I can get that done as well, and then I can take a rest for the rest of the day with uni stuff. I've got some admin to do, so yeah. Submitted my worksheet, which I'm really happy about, and I am now going to get some lunch, take my dog for a walk, and then just do some light admin, because I feel like my brain is at capacity for the day. But I am going to end the vlog here. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know. Leave a comment, like the video, and maybe consider subscribing. I'm planning on posting more about student life, PhD, but also nice and cozy aesthetics. So if that is your vibe, please subscribe, and I will see you in a new video very soon. Bye!